everyone! Welcome to Learning with KEA. This is the EIKEN vocabulary practice video, part 13. Let's get started. Today's story is called A Day at the Farm. Throughout the story, try to listen for the words that describe fruits, vegetables, and farm animals. A day at the farm. Today, me and my family went to a farm. At the farm, we picked lots of fruits such as apples, grapes, and peaches. We also got some vegetables such as tomatoes and cucumbers. Did you know that watermelons are vegetables too? I was so surprised to find that out. I saw lots of farm animals on the way to the farmer's market. We saw chickens, ducks, goats, and pigs. We also saw a dog who gathered all the sheep. At the farmer's market, we got some homemade strawberry jam. I can't wait to eat it for breakfast. What a fun day we had. What did you think of the story? Now, let's take a look at some of the key vocabularies. First, let's take a look at the fruits. Apples, apples. Grapes, grapes. Peaches, peaches. Strawberries, strawberries. Next, let's take a look at the vegetables. Tomatoes, tomatoes. Cucumbers, cucumbers. Watermelon, watermelon. Finally, let's take a look at the farm animals. Chickens, chickens. Ducks, ducks. Goat, goat. Pigs, pigs. Dogs, dogs. Sheep, sheep. That's all for today. I hope you learned something new with us. See you in the next video.